FTX is a cryptocurrency exchange that provides you access to both spot and derivatives trading markets. However, this is just a small part of what the platform offers. We can certainly say that it's an original and innovative platform, offering numerous unique features that have the potential to elevate your cryptocurrency trading experience to an advanced new level. In a short period after its launch, FTX quickly established itself as one of the top 5 derivatives exchanges in terms of daily trading volume. FTX, which was launched in May 2019, is a renowned company specializing in cryptocurrency trading. We can thus say that it has really carved out a highly prominent position in the trading space, specifically by consistently offering industry-first derivatives and a very broad array of highly advanced products. Additionally, in December 2019, FTX successfully obtained funding from Binance, further solidifying its growing influence within the cryptocurrency trading landscape. The platform was designed by traders themselves, and it aims to be intuitive and user-friendly enough for beginner users, while also being robust enough for experienced traders. To keep pace with other cryptocurrency exchanges, the exchange also launched its own native token, which serves as the backbone of the platform's ecosystem. In a short time, the platform has also emerged as one of the top 50 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. FTX also intends to burn close to half of the FTT token supply, aiming to create scarcity and subsequently boost market demand. FTT is listed on a number of popular cryptocurrency exchanges, including BitMEX, Binance, CoinEx, and others. In addition to being a tradable asset, you can also engage in spot trading for FTT across various markets, including FTT/USD, FTT/USDT, and FTT/BTC. FTT additionally provides various advantages to its token holders. For example, the FTT token provides holders with reduced trading fees and a share of the socialized gains from the FTX Insurance Fund. Additionally, FTT can also serve as collateral for futures trading. And just like any other cryptocurrency exchange, this platform makes security its utmost priority. For this very reason, it provides a digital wallet where you can securely store all your digital assets. The platform highly encourages users to activate two-factor authentication, which will necessitate a specific code for accessing your trading funds and also when processing withdrawals. According to its website, this platform regularly collaborates with researchers to guarantee the security of its products and services. This provides the distinct impression that FTX has truly prioritized and focused on the safety aspects of the platform. Furthermore, since its inception, the platform has maintained a spotless record with no security breaches, nor has it encountered any malware threats. It appears to have robust protocols and systems established to ensure the security of its traders. The team behind this platform has been dedicated to creating an exchange that is readily available and user-friendly for traders of every skill level. The platform includes an interface that can be switched between light, dark, or a completely black display. And you can find most of the information about what the platform provides directly on the homepage without even needing to sign up or register. Best of all, you have the flexibility to drag, drop, and rearrange features, customizing the platform's layout to best suit your preferences. In this video, we'll learn how to trade on the FTX platform and get more information about the FTT coin. Head over to the FTX platform, then hit sign in and input your email address there. After that, enter your password, then click to verify and complete the CAPTCHA. You will receive a verification message in your email. Once registered, log into your account, and upon clicking your name on the right, this menu will then be displayed. Firstly, there's your personal wallet, which currently stands empty and is ready to receive your deposits. Choose the currency you'd like to deposit, then click Deposit. Network options will then be displayed. Make sure to copy the address, and you can then use it for both deposits and withdrawals. Click on Withdraw, enter the amount you want to withdraw, and enter the withdrawal address. During the registration process, you can also activate Google Authenticator. This adds another layer of security, meaning no one can withdraw funds from your account unless they enter the correct code. Withdrawals take between 5 to 10 minutes. As demonstrated here, the withdrawal fee on this particular platform is only $1. However, on numerous other platforms, these fees can frequently escalate to as much as $30, making this a much more cost-effective option for your transactions. The order history shows you all the operations you've performed. And under View Open Orders, you will be able to see all of your open orders that are still pending and have not yet been finished. Through the referral section, you can acquire your unique referral link and share it in any way you wish. This will enable you to obtain commission discounts whenever anyone signs up through your link. From the settings, you can enable an authenticator or create a withdrawal password as an extra security measure. Additionally, you can utilize the withdrawal destination whitelisting feature, which allows you to establish a predefined set of addresses authorized to withdraw from your account, preventing unauthorized withdrawals. Furthermore, if your account gets compromised and someone attempts to alter this feature, the platform will temporarily suspend all withdrawals for a period of 24 to 48 hours. You also have the option to enable other individuals to access and monitor your account. This is for people who have experience in this field. From login history, you can see the IPs that have accessed your account. The Logout Session feature allows you to conveniently sign out from all the devices where you've logged into your account. From identity verification, you can verify your account and increase your withdrawal limit. With sub-accounts, you can set up and manage several additional accounts under your primary account. Through margin trading, you have the option to set your preferred level of leverage. From the leaderboard, you can easily identify the top 10 most profitable individuals on this platform. Display settings allow full platform layout customization. To initiate trading activities, you'll discover a variety of choices readily accessible directly on the platform's user interface. In this video, we'll delve into the spot method. Just click on Spot and you'll find all the available trading pairs. Choose a currency and its chart will appear on the left side of the screen. Sell orders are indicated in red and buy orders are in green. This section displays a general overview of the most recent transactions, and your detailed balance is also shown at the bottom. You have two options, buy and sell. There are order choices, for example, a limit order. Simply input your desired purchase price, and the transaction will automatically complete once the price aligns with the figure you've specified. However, with a market order, you're able to purchase at the current market price. A stop market order is utilized when you wish to purchase at a specific price, but want to halt the buying process if the price falls below the value you set for a trailing stop. You have the ability to set a selling price, but the actual sale might not occur at that precise amount you set. If the price is rising, it waits to reach the highest point. A take-profit order functions similarly to a limit order. You specify your desired selling price, and the sale is executed automatically once the market reaches that exact figure. For instance, when using a limit order, input your desired purchase price, specify the quantity either by typing or using the slider, then click Buy. You will see your order listed below as an open order because the transaction has not yet been completed, and the condition will also display the price you desire. When the condition hits this price, the purchase will be executed. There is also an Android or iOS application that you can download from Google Play or the App Store to facilitate your trading activities. For futures trading, the platform supports both perpetual and quarterly contracts. It is recommended to choose perpetual contracts when trading futures. Choose perpetual because it means permanent contracts. Quarterly contracts are temporary and expire at a set time. So if you forget the contract's expiration date, your order will be closed or sold. For instance, regarding this Bitcoin contract, it will prompt you for the currency you wish to use for futures trading. If that currency isn't available, you can simply deposit it to begin your trading activities. To convert currency, simply go to your wallet. There, you'll find the word Convert next to the currency. Click on it, then select both the currency you wish to convert from and the one you wish to convert to. Finally, select Max to complete the transaction. Via the FTX platform, it's known that the FTT token was introduced on May 8, 2019, with a grand total supply of 350 million tokens. No new tokens will be created, and among them, 175 million tokens were already stored. Their tokens are subject to a 3-year lockup period. 2 of those years have already passed, with less than 1 year left until they're unlocked. For more information and a deeper dive into the FTT token, you can always visit the official FTX website or its dedicated page on CoinMarketCap. This token is available across 3 distinct blockchain technologies: Solana, Ethereum, and Binance Chain. A vital mechanism for this token is its buy and burn feature. So right there on the FTT token page on the FTX platform, you will discover the buy and burn section. This mechanism outlines that FTX consistently repurchases and burns the FTT token on a weekly basis, funded by a portion of its platform profits. These profits specifically include 33% from trading fees, an additional 10% derived from the support fund, and another 5% from various other fees generated from other services. This process illustrates that FTX purchases FTT tokens every Monday, with the burning process occurring on Tuesdays. The site indicates that the buy and burn process will continue indefinitely until half of the 350 million tokens are burned. On the FTT page on the FTX platform, you will find transactions related to the token burn mechanism, which began on August 1, 2019, and is still continuing. It is worth noting that over 13 million tokens have already been burned, which equates to $820 million, and it is anticipated that more than 100,000 additional tokens will be burned within the coming week. The FTT token is additionally listed on numerous trading platforms, such as Binance, Huobi Global, and many more. You can benefit from holding the FTT token in your balance on the FTX platform. The benefit is a reduction in the trading fees that are deducted from you. The FTX platform is accessible in many countries, yet it is blocked in the United States, which has its own specific platform, FTX.US. It is also blocked in Cuba. When you sign up for the FTX platform using your email address, you'll be able to explore the platform and check out its services, but you won't be able to make a deposit or engage in any trading activities. This stage is called unverified, and you can move past it by confirming your identity and reaching level 1 by providing the information highlighted in yellow. This includes your email, your real name, your birth date, your address, and other required legal information. In this case, you are allowed to withdraw up to $2,000 daily. For the second stage, you're required to provide proof of identity and residence, and it's best to submit a copy of your passport. Once you do that, all FTX services will be available to you, with unlimited withdrawals for all cryptocurrencies, dollars, or euros. Regarding the fees, you'll be shown 6 levels depending on your trading volume from the past 30 days. The fees on this platform are the best among its competitors, and this table will show you the fees according to the trading volume. And here's another table that shows you the trading fees if you hold a certain amount of coins. So now we've learned about the FTX platform and the FTT coin. Please share your questions in the comments, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.